Hi there, my name is David Cook, president of Cook's Kitchen and Bath. We are a full-service general contractor specializing in design, build, kitchen and bath remodeling, where we work with you from concept to completion. Cook's Kitchen and Bath is a family-owned business. We've been around for over 20 years now. I was working for a local contractor installing cabinets, and I quickly realized a need for a much more full-service business model in this industry. I studied for and obtained my contractor's license, and we founded Cook's Kitchen and Bath in 2004. And over the years, we have worked to acquire a team of experts, both as in-house employees and trade partners who know their craft and are able to deliver the result that we strive to achieve.
My name is Trevor Gross. I'm the designer here with Cook's Kitchen and Bath. One of the primary way that we separate ourselves from other companies is that we're trying to reimagine remodeling. We work on fixed fee contract pricing that eliminates price anxiety for the clients. We also offer bumper to bumper warranty on every aspect of the job we do, from product quality to craftsmanship. Almost no one else in the industry offers these things, and that's really what sets us apart.
Because a lot of people, they don't understand, they're like, what am I getting for my money? And we point that out. We have a selection center here where we can pick out all their countertops and the cabinetry and the colors and the finish and the wood and the plumbing fixtures and the flooring and the tile and the backsplash. It really just puts the whole project together for a client so that when they get their contract book, it spells out everything that we are doing for them without any question. By doing this too, it helps people really generate a realistic budget. So if you want your project completed on time, on budget, with exactly what you're going to get, guaranteed, give us a call, you won't go wrong.